Catalab. Today we're going to do a song by the Rolling Stones, but not that one. Alright, it's just to give you a little taste of the future. Anyway, As Tears Go By. Alright, if you don't know it, check it out. It's really a pretty tune. I believe Marianne Faithfull was the one that had the popular recording with it. But as far as I know, the Rolling Stones wrote it. If somebody knows anything else about that, please, let me know. Let everybody else know. Okay, moving right along. Let's just jump right ahead to this, where we see the setup. We're in 4/4 time. We're familiar with that, right? We're going to be playing, for this video, we're going to be playing open chords, straight 4. All right, 4/4 time. We are familiar with this. We're going to repeat the first line. The middle line goes like this. Go here. Do you remember what that means? Okay, we're repeating the previous measure. Okay, repeat the previous measure, and then we go back to the beginning. As always, there's a link below that's going to tell you about the, you could look the song up in one of those chord things. You're probably going to see it in the key of G, you'll see it in the key of C, but you're going to play it in the key of D. All right? Quickly, let's go through the chords. D chord. All right? And if you notice, I do not have any chord charts up there because we have videos on these chords, and hopefully you know this. If there is a problem, please contact me in the comments below. Right, first chord D. Second chord E major. I should have said D major, E major. Okay, the third chord G. Okay, and then we're going back to, the A chord. Remember, with the A chord, there's a few different fingerings. All right. The only thing that's going to jump out at you right now is the B minor chord. All right. The G is the same as that. The A is the same as that. The D is the same as that. B minor, if we remember, is like this. Let's get a real good shot of that one. All right. We're good with it? All right. Straight 4s, set the metronome. Let me see, where's the, oh, geez, look where the metronome's sort of out of touch here. Give me 2 seconds. Let's just set the metronome up. Yeah, plug that in for me, please. All right, got our metronome. We're setting it wherever we're comfortable. I always go with 60, and then whatever, differences with arithmetic we want to do with that. I explained that many times, but again, I'll go through it. All right. We'll always give ourselves the full 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm set at 60. All right, if you're not making the chord changes clear, and again, all downstrokes, right? But if you're not making the chord changes clear, slow the metronome down. Now, when I say slow it down, if you go put it down, let's say to 40, listen up. It's going to be hard to miss beats in between there. So, again, as a review, let's pump it up to 80. Okay, but with this, when we have it at 80, instead of counting quarters, we're counting eighths. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. here is, yes, to learn the tune, but, you know, to play the accompaniment to the tune, but clean chord changes. Do not do this. Please do not do that. Trust me, if you do that, wherever you are in the world, I'll hear it from here. It'll freak me out. Okay? That's just, you know, again, our main purpose, clean chord changes. As the comfort level comes in, pick the tempo up. All right? This is just on the open string or open position chords, first position chords, whatever. Okay? Let's do this. Questions, comments below. All right? If you like what you're hearing, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe so you get all the videos that are out there. Okay? Thank you very much and have a nice day.